Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with another video. Today we're talking about Bittensor TAO and Subnet 85 Vidaio. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification icon, and you've got a completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin waiting for you in the description below the video. Make sure to grab that as well, and let's talk about Vidaio. So, Vidaio is a next generation video processing AI subnet on the Bittensor TAO network. Again, if you're not familiar with Bittensor, guys, and how the subnet ecosystem works, definitely check out some of the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave links at the top of the screen for each of those. But essentially, you've got all of these different subnets competing against each other on the Bittensor network to provide the most valuable information back to the network as a whole, and they are competing to earn and generate TAO rewards as a result of providing the best information to the network. And in this case, Vidaio is subnet number 85. They are doing video upscaling, compression, and streaming coming very, very soon in order to compete to provide valuable information to the Bittensor ecosystem as a whole. So I hope this is all making sense. They're using the power of distributed compute to provide on-demand video capabilities. Again, I did an interview with the founder, Gareth of Vidaio, a few days ago on the channel. I'll leave a link at the top of the screen here, but you can definitely check out that interview where Gareth gives some very good insights into what the team at Vidaio is doing. And essentially, the number one product that they have live right now is their video upscaling product. So they've got breathing new life into low resolution video. Essentially, what you can do here, if we come into the video upscaler itself, it allows us to essentially upload videos and upscale them to higher quality and higher resolution. You can try this out for yourself. Again, you have the ability to upload a video of less than 50 seconds to upscale it and start understanding what's actually happening here with Vidaio. But again, the go-to-market strategy here is honing in first and foremost on the African market. Gareth spoke about this in the interview. He has a lot of experience in the African market. And if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Africa is a mobile first market overall, and there is many bandwidth issues with regards to the amount of essentially cell coverage and the amount of data availability in African markets. And if you can have higher quality videos at lower bit rates and even more impressive file sizes, which is what they're working on with compression, it makes a lot of sense to tackle that market from a data availability standpoint. So again, check out the interview I did with Garrett. He explains it very, very well. But essentially, the compression element here and the upscaling element allows you to have much better quality videos at much, much smaller file sizes. So again, addressing that problem in the market in a decentralized fashion using the power of artificial intelligence. Gareth explains it much more eloquently than I can. So check out that video. Look at what he's explaining in terms of the bit rate and how the AI models are actually working to compete to enhance and upscale those videos. And again, the way that this works is that the miners on the actual Vidaio subnet are competing and training AI models to enhance and upscale those videos. Gareth explains how essentially the team at Vidaio give them a base model, a base AI model, and it's up to them as miners to continuously improve the model itself to upscale the videos. And again, it is the miners who compete in order to actually provide the best AI model for video upscaling that then eventually actually get the projects from Vidaio to upscale videos for their clients. Again, Gareth has lots of relationships in Africa with many video on demand platforms, and that is what they're doing in order to target enterprise clients in the African market first and foremost, because it is the area they see that they could most benefit at this moment in time. Smaller file size with video compression is coming very, very soon. Again, lower bit rate with no compromise on quality means that you're going to be able to have extremely high quality videos with much, much smaller, dramatically reduced file sizes. Again, this is going to be a cost saving for enterprise clients and businesses in future when you can have extremely high quality videos at a fraction of the file size. It dramatically brings down the need for large servers holding extremely large files. And again, we know how much video streaming has grown in popularity. Video streaming is in the pipeline for the next product. And Garrett said, roughly speaking, by the end of 2025, we should see video competing with a video streaming product where once again you have low latency AI driven video streaming, extremely high quality with much smaller file sizes and much better bit rates. So I'm excited to see how this continues to grow and scale over the course of the next year. Again, Gareth is an extremely professional person in terms of the relationships he's built with video on demand platforms in the African market. There's a whole bunch of extremely intelligent people in terms of advisors and investors behind the Vidaio subnet. So definitely worth taking a look at. Again, they've got a whole bunch of Q&A FAQs over here on their website as well. I'm going to leave links for the website below this video if you want to check it out in more detail and see what all the team at Vidaio is getting up to. But as a subnet, jumping over to TAO stats, we can see that currently we have Vidaio Subnet Alpha token priced at about 0.018 TAO, or the equivalent of about $7.52. Again, this has been choppy here over the past couple of weeks, but essentially what we're looking at here is a opportunity for you to get exposure to a subnet alpha token that maybe is going to outperform TAO on a percentage basis. If we zoom out here, again, none of this is guaranteed, guys. None of this is financial advice. You got to understand what's happening in the markets, what's happening with TAO subnets, and which subnets are ultimately going to have the ability to outperform. But the idea here is if Vidaio can continue to gain more enterprise clients with their go-to-market strategy, securing video on-demand platforms, solving real-world problems, we could see the price of the Subnet Alpha token for Vidaio increasing in price here over the coming weeks and months, and we might see it begin to outperform TAO and move to the upside as a result. Again, that would be one benefit of holding the Vidaio token or getting exposure to it, and you can purchase that in your TAO wallet. You can stake it to get rewards, which I'll look at in just a moment. But you can get exposure to that by using a protocol or a platform just like TAO Stats, just like Backprop Finance, and a number of the other protocols I've shared on the channel. The final thing I'll mention here is about those staking rewards, because the Subnet Alpha tokens, just like Vidaio, have the ability for you to generate substantial staking rewards. And some of those staking rewards are phenomenal at this moment in time. You can see some of the subnets giving over 100% APY over the past 30 days. If we search for Vidaio specifically, you can see Vidaio is currently quoting 281% APY from holding and staking the Vidaio token on the subnet for generating those rewards. Again, that is a phenomenal APY. Nothing or very little compares to that when you look outside in different ecosystems on Ethereum and Solana, etc., for staking different types of tokens. So is this going to be this high forever? Absolutely not. Is it something you could possibly take advantage of here in the short term? Absolutely yes. Is there inherent risks in this? Yes, there is, because the Subnet Alpha token itself may underperform against TAO. That is a very real possibility as well. But with the real world use case and the actual problem that Vidaio are solving, I do think they have a legitimate business case to continue to grow and expand and possibly even outperform the TAO token over time. I'm excited to see how that growth happens. Again, I'll try to do a check-in video with Gareth, the founder of Vidaio, in the coming months. Again, drop a comment below this video if you want to see a follow-up on Vidaio over the coming weeks, guys. Again, I'm on the lookout. I'm on the hunt for subnet tokens that have the potential to outperform the TAO token as well. Again, guys, today's video is sponsored by Bittensor, a leading non-KYC crypto derivatives exchange. Again, if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. You have the ability for enhanced privacy using a non-KYC exchange, just like Bittensor. Tons of volume, tons of tokens for trading, all of your favorite cryptocurrencies available for purchase and trading with non-KYC over at Bittensor. Again, check out the link below this video to get more information on all of that. That's it for today's video, guys. Again, if you got any value at all out of today's video, please take just 3 seconds, drop a thumbs up on the video below. It would mean the world. We're trying to grow the channel, spread the good word. Make sure to drop a like on that video below. Hit subscribe, hit that bell notification icon. And like I said at the beginning of the video, you have your own free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin waiting for you below the video. Grab it now, and we'll catch you in the next one.